good at something is fairly straightforward. If you want to be good at playing guitar, there are fundamental skills you can learn and practice. If you want to be good at football, you can find what skills you need and acquire them. If you want to be good at cooking, there are plenty of books out there to teach you the basics. To become good at something takes hard work, practice, and intentionality, but it's not a secret how to do it. You learn the fundamentals and apply them consistently and well. But what does it take to be great? Because being great at something is entirely different from being good at it. When it comes to leadership, if we look at examples of greatness, we begin to notice a common pattern. We have quiet people who spark worldwide movements. We have people who sit alone with their thoughts, who transform the thoughts of millions. We have a God who died on a cross. The common theme among all of these examples of greatness is paradox. To be good is to get the universal basics right. To be great is to creatively apply those basic principles in new, creative, counterintuitive ways. In the book, Good to Great, Jim Collins describes principles of greatness in business he and his team discovered through researching 1,400 plus companies. Their research into what he calls level 5 leaders paints a picture of someone who is paradoxical. This leader is not a larger-than-life personality who has all the answers and blazes a trail. The level 5 leader, a person capable of running multi-million-dollar corporations at the top level, profoundly creates value for others by embodying paradox. They are ambitious, but only for the team to succeed. They share praise while also accepting blame. They may not be charismatic or charming at all, but they lead entire companies to success. In this module, we're going to be looking at the 5 paradoxical principles of going from good to great. In the process, you're going to be laying the groundwork for disciplined thought and action, essential concepts for greatness, by creating your personal rules for life. For this module, you will create your rules for life, rules you plan to live by, using Craig Ballantyne's samples, the 10 Commandments, and Gretchen Rubin's Habit Manifesto for inspiration. As you prepare to write these rules, reflect on your core motivations from your M-Code results. Create 1 to 3 rules based on each of your core motivations. If one of your top 5 motivations is meet needs, for example, you may create a rule like, I will always listen before I speak. Sensitive listening can help you understand people well, and understanding can equip you to meet needs. Think back on your growing in virtue plan. Reflect on the idea that discipline equals freedom. Don't think of discipline negatively, like deciding what you have to cut out of your life. Instead, think of it as a privilege. You get to choose rules that will help you maintain what's worth keeping in your life. Rules exist to preserve what you regard as worthy to spend your freedom on. They can help you design a life you'll never regret living and which, over time, will help you achieve greatness.